And this one is probably that one's probably one of my favourites. Everyone knows the DEA, Drug Enforcement Agency. And I've never done cocaine, by the way. I was lying on the couch in my apartment in Vancouver, Toronto in 2008, hungover as shit, surprisingly, from the night before. And I'm channel surfing, and this show comes on. And I watched the first guy get taken down for drugs. So let's say Bond Halbert, he gets arrested for drugs, and they tell him, they go, Bond, you know what? If you don't give up your supplier, you're going to go away for at least 25 years, maybe life. So hopefully he hasn't wet himself or done something else. He's handcuffed. And the main cop says, he said, however, if you make a call and set up a sting with your supplier, we'll make this look like a frickin' parking ticket. And then he said, you've got 60 seconds to decide. So in terms of marketing, what has this copper done? He's made a fucking offer and the limited time takeaway sell. So Bond goes, shit, yeah, I'll dob in John Carlton, right? So he calls up John, acts normal, said, yeah, I want to order like 3 bricks of Coke. All right, and what do you think happens? Same thing happens. John gets taken down. He has pissed himself, right? And he gets made the same offer. So he has a choice. Does he go to jail for 25 years? Or does he call his supplier? And have a guess who his supplier was. Caleb O'Dowd. So he acts normal, calls up, and Caleb goes down, right? So doing all direct response and offline shit and takeaway selling and shit, I was like, I can make money from this. So I wrote a blog post, emailed my list, and sold a shitload of courses, right? And other stuff from that, copy jobs. But how many people, before I told you that story, or if you didn't know it, would watch the same show and get what I saw? I trained my brain to fucking do it. There's so much content in here, what I've heard over the last couple of days, that make a fortune from. But again, start to really get in tune with that. You might see some bad service in a restaurant or some great service, and you can use it to your advantage. So just bear that in mind.